Hello everyone, lovers of analytical math. Today let's look at which among the fraction is greater. The first question says 3 all over 15 and 2 all over 5. Which one is greater among these two fractions? Solution. First one, number 1. So you're having 3 all over 15 and 2 all over 5. So knowing which one is greater, so what we just need to do is that we multiply this denominator by this numerator and this denominator also by the denominator, so that we have 5 times 3. Here I'm having 15. I'm having 15 here. Then if I multiply 15 by this, I'll be having 30 here, so that this is 15, this is 30. So now the greater one is going to be the greater one is going to be the greater fraction. So meaning this one is greater than this one. This fraction is greater than this fraction. So we write like this. This is less than this. That is how to find one of the methods in finding fraction that is greater than the other one. So now number 2. Question number 2 says 3 all over 5. 3 all over 5. We have 11 all over 12. We have 7 all over 10 and 8 all over 11. So now in finding which is greater among these four fractions, so we need to take the first two fractions and do the same thing. Let's take these first two fractions and multiply this by this and as well this by this. So now 3 multiplied by 12, so that is going to be 36. So if I also multiply 5 by this, this is going to be 55. So now meaning this fraction is greater than this fraction. So I'm having this one is greater than this fraction. So now for the other two fractions, we also do the same. So if I multiply this by this, I'm having 77. If I also multiply this by this, I'm having 80. So so meaning this one is also greater than this. So we have gotten two fractions that are greater among all these four fractions. So let us now see among the two which is greater. So let me bring it down here. That is 3 all over, that is 11 all over 12, and then 8 all over 11. These are the two greater fractions among these four. So we also do the same thing. That is, we have to multiply this one by this and also multiply this by this and see which one is greater. So let's multiply 11 by 11. That is 121. Then 12 by 8. That is 96. 96. So for question number 3, that is 48 all over 51 and 75 all over 79. So let's find which one is bigger among this number. 48 all over 51 and 75 all over 79. Here I'm going to use another method in finding the bigger fraction among these two fractions. So the first thing to do is I'll find the difference between this denominator and this numerator. So the difference between this is going to be 3, right? So also the difference between the denominator and the numerator of this one is going to be 4. So what I need to do is that I will now divide the numerator by this difference. So that is going to be 48 divided by 3, and here is going to be 75 divided by 4. So approximately So I'm having approximately 3 in 48. That is going to be 3 in 4, 1, 3 in 18, that is 6. And this one as well, 4 in 7, that is 1. 4 in 35, that is going to be 8 point something, 8.7 something. So among these two number now, so this is greater, right? This is bigger than this. So therefore, say this one is bigger. So 75 all over 79 is bigger. Is bigger. Number is bigger fraction. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.